Jacob here at MarineMax Rogers. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2024 Premier 230 Intrigue. It's top of the line for the Premier models here, so you're going to see the best of the best for luxury pontoons for Premier. Right away, I'm going to show you the outside here. You can see it's gray and white paneling on this guy with a black rails in between, complement each other really nicely. Step farther back with me here. You'll see some Premier logos on the side here and where it talks about PTX. So this is a tri-tune with the Premier here. The PTX technology is really unique to Premier. It's their patented technology they put in their third tune. Makes it really easy to maneuver. Makes it very similar to a boat rather than a pontoon. Come back with me farther here. Also, you'll notice electric bimini on this one here. Just a push of a button at the helm, this bimini will rise up. Super easy and convenient when out on the water rather than having to do the manual one if you prefer that. Then look back here at the outboard Mercury. Plenty of power on this Mercury motor here, as well as the ski tow bar. Gives you a lot of options here on the water for skiing, tubing, whatever you want to do for pulling people behind, or if you just need to get from one place to another on the lake. So if you just hop up with me inside, I'll show you all the features on the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this 2024 Intrigue. Right away, I'm going to show you the changing station in the back here. Really nice, convenient. This guy here flips up, gives you that changing station that folds all the way down. Really nice and spacious for whoever you want to use that for on the water. Got to change to the swim trunks or any swimsuit. Folds just back down here. The rest of the upholstery here is upgraded upholstery. It's a different feel to it. It's the highest tier of upholstery you can possibly get on a pontoon. Really soft, really comfortable out on the water. Come up with me a little bit farther here. You're going to see the dual helm seating up here. So obviously 2 chairs here. You're going to see one for your partner, and then the one you see at the captain's area has a movable bolster seating here. So if you want to sit up a little bit higher, you have that option here. It is already a raised helm, so it is pretty high as well, so it gives you even higher seating. And as I sit here, really comfortable seating again. Right away, you're going to see a digital throttle on the right side here, super smooth on the water when shifting. Also at the helm, 12-inch Simrad display, huge Simrad display, your navigation, any statistics you got to see on the water, depth, etc. Wireless charging here for your phone too, nice place to set it, locks right in there. And at the right side here, kind of a cool feature that Premier does, it has a cooled cup holder, so if you just set your cup holder there, or you set your cup in there, press the button, keeps it nice and cool all day on the water. Really cool. And you got a few push buttons on the steering wheel itself, so the wheel will move. These will stay in place. It makes it easier to access them as well. All right, so moving from the helm up to the bow of the boat here. You can see more of that upholstery. Really spacious bow here, super nice. Under each of the seats, storage on hinges. Really nice for throwing anything you got, life jackets, etc. More cup holders here in the bow as well. Makes it really nice for anything you want to bring on the water, anything you're going to do up in the front here. With the tri-tune, you also get storage here, really making the most out of that. This whole tube here can be used. Right now we have the cover inside. Locks down like so. Speaker system throughout this. If you look closely on the bottom here, you've got JL audio here. Best quality you can get in a boat. Next to that, you're going to see a spot for your phone. In those spots throughout the boats, it's going to be wireless charging when you put them in there. So not only is it storage, it charges your phone while you're on the water. Really cool. Guys, this is the 2024 Intrigue here at MarineMax Rogers. Feel free to stop right in, make an appointment. We'd love to show you the boat. As always, feel free to like and subscribe on this video. We're putting out videos every day. Thanks.